Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the last week of January. It's already happening, people. The year is flying by. So this week, my inspiration piece this week, my word of the year is going to be grace. So I took this from this paper pad that I had from Simple Stories. It's called Faith. And I've done quite a few, I think, layouts with this, but I already pulled the paper out, so I'm going to set this aside. And I do have a couple of journaling cards too, that came from other Simple Stories kits. So then they still have the same kind of color scheme. I pulled some enamel dots out of my stash, as well as some bows. Not sure how I'm going to incorporate these or if I'm going to, but kind of my theme this year is use my stash. So trying to do that by pulling things out that I could potentially use. I'm also going to try to pull some of the stickers out of here. Even though, yeah, so this is the same. This is the sticker sheet that goes with this paper pad. So let me show you the papers I selected. So I don't know if I want to go with the floral theme, but I did see this and I kind of liked this. I'm kind of thinking I want to kind of stick with this kind of wood theme. Again, I'm not sure. Don't really have a plan. I think I want to cut this out, but I don't know if I want the butterflies, so I might just cut that part out of it. I don't know. We will see, because that's what we're going to be doing. I think I kind of want to start with this piece. Okay. So you may notice that my nail color has changed since the last clip. I was working on this layout and I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I had to stop. I had to give myself the day. I just had such low energy yesterday when I was trying to do this. And I was like, why am I forcing myself to do this when I have no energy? So I stopped, and then I woke up in the morning and got my nails done, and here we are. So yeah, sometimes it just doesn't work out the way you wanted it to. I was trying to get this done before Sunday, but it didn't happen. But that's okay, because I'm getting it done before Monday, which is ultimately my goal. And you'll have to excuse the sun rays that are coming into my room right now. Like, that's not cool, sun. How dare you invade my space? Anyway, okay, so basically I'm going to cut this. Well, technically I already cut it. I'm going to put it down here. And then I think I'm just going to put another piece up here. So I think that's what I'm going to do for that. And then I think I'm going to put a flower on the side here. I don't know if I want to use the pink or the blue. I think I want to use the blue. And I want to try to get this type of flower in there. So I think I'm going to use this side of the page. So I am excited to tell you guys that my craft room tour is going to be posted. It's already uploaded and ready to go. And I think I'm going to put it on Premiere. So basically what that means is you just set it as a Premiere and then you can like, it's kind of like going live with it, I guess. Like you can just basically watch it with everybody and comment, like have live comments basically. So I'm going to set that premiere tomorrow after I put this video up. I think I want to go with the darker teal. Come on. That color or... Kind of feel like it's this one. So they weren't quite, it wasn't quite covering with one strip. So I'm going to actually put down 2 strips. And it covers it a lot better. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this glued down. I feel like this layout looks really springy, like a spring layout, but you know what? That's all right. I was kind of thinking about putting this right here, but I definitely don't. I think I'm just going to cut these little butterflies off. Sorry, little butterflies. Don't think I'm going to be able to cut that butterfly off, but we're just going to cover it with something, and then no one will ever know that it was there, right? Because you guys won't tell anybody. You guys won't tell my secret. Oh wait, I don't want to cover up Monday. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like it. I think I might like it better if this part was more like that. Yeah, maybe I just want it more over. Just more over. And I'm just gonna just tip those corners off. Maybe this flower. Yeah, that'll work. I'm going to use some foam and just pop this off the page a little bit. Or maybe not. It doesn't matter. Okay, and then I'm going to put this right there. I think we're at that point, ladies, that we are going to do sticker time. Okay, so I'm going to stop because I feel like I can keep going, but I'm going to stop. Okay, so I've got quite a bit of stuff I need to write down. Got a kind of a busier than normal week. So actually, I'm going to just cut out the out, and then it'll say work. Don't usually work in the evenings, but there is a business meeting thing that I want to go to. I volunteer for my foster ministry, and we have a orientation that we give our volunteers. Oh, I do want to put in my keeping track of my videos that I'm posting. I can't remember what Tuesday's video is. I can't remember. Thursday. Oh, that's right. Craft room tour. That's right. Craft room tour part 1 and 2. So part 1 on Tuesday and then part 2 on Wednesday. I had to break them up because it was tiring doing that. And then on Thursday, I have something planned, but oh, it's a flea market haul. Perfect. Okay, so I think that's it for those. Let's go ahead and work on the journal card. I don't know if there's anything. Honestly, I don't really think there's anything I need to do. Oh, I was going to actually maybe possibly add a paper clip with this bow. Again, just trying to use I like that there. We're just going to put that there. I was thinking about maybe using this one because I like how it looks with the, but I don't know, I kind of like this one too. Maybe that one goes. And then all I'm going to do is, I want to adhere this down. I think I'm just going to weed it through. Let's see if that works. Is it going to let me? Yep. Look, there we go. Easy peasy. All right, let's get it in the planner. Okay, let's put this in. Let's put down one. Not really happy with how far up this is. Wondering if I could just paper clip it to the book. And then move this down. I kind of want this right here. Yeah, I think I like that better. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. All right, well, that is my planner layout for this week. And next in February, I have plans for a whole bunch of like lovey Valentine's Day ones. So hope that you guys stick around for those. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button to be notified when I get videos. You'll have to click that little button next to that. And I hope that you guys enjoy these videos. I will see you again next week. And stay tuned. I've got a whole week of videos planned. So hope you guys enjoy. Bye.